In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the PIN on a Samsung phone. Changing your PIN is an essential step to ensure the security of your device. It safeguards your personal data and keeps unauthorized users out. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. This is the hub where you control most of your phone's configurations. You can find the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer. It typically appears as a gear icon. Once you see it, just give it a tap. Opening Settings is your gateway to customizing your phone's security and functionality. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option that says Lock Screen. On some devices, this may be labeled as Biometrics and Security. This option allows you to manage how you secure your phone. Tap on it to proceed. This step is crucial because it provides access to all the security settings available on your phone. Next up, tap on Screen Lock Type. This is where you decide how you want to unlock your phone, whether it's with a PIN, a pattern, or even biometrics. Selecting Screen Lock Type will take you to a menu displaying your current screen lock method. At this point, you will be prompted to enter your current PIN. This is a necessary security measure to confirm that you are the rightful owner of the device. Enter your current PIN carefully. Once you've done that, you will be granted access to change your lock settings. Verifying your current PIN protects against unauthorized changes. After entering your current PIN, you'll need to tap on the option that says PIN. This is the step where you select the new method you wish to secure your phone with. By choosing PIN, you signal that you want to continue using this method, but with a new code. Now it's time to enter your new PIN. Choose a number that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. It's always a good idea to avoid simple patterns like 1, 2, 3, 4, or repeating numbers like 1, 1, 1, 1. Think of a number that is meaningful to you yet unpredictable to others. Once you have settled on a new PIN, carefully type it in. After entering your new PIN, the next step is to tap OK or Confirm. This action saves your new PIN and applies the change to your device. You will see a confirmation appear on the screen which ensures your new PIN is now set. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your PIN on your Samsung phone. By following these steps, you've enhanced the security of your device. Remember, regularly updating your PIN can help keep your information safe. Thanks for watching and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a PIN change.